Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.4, Problem 4. This is Section 4.4, Problem 4. It says write each fraction as a percent. And the first fraction is 17 over 100. So when the denominator is 100, the percent is whatever the numerator is. So 17 over 100 is 17%. Part B, same thing. When the denominator is 100, the percent is whatever the numerator is. So 29 over 100 is 29%. Part C, 40 over 100. Now notice the 40 over 100 can reduce. I don't want to reduce it. I want the denominator to be 100 because now it makes the conversion to a percent easier. 40 over 100 is 40%. The next one, 136 over 100, I could reduce that also. I could make it a mixed number, but I don't want to do it. I want the denominator of 100 to stay because it makes the conversion to a percent very easy. It's just the numerator, so 136%. And can you have a percent over 100? You absolutely can. Prices can increase by more than 100%. That's the example I like to use. And E, 64.5 over 100. Now again, you have a decimal and a fraction. You could make it only a fraction by moving the decimal over one position, both top and bottom. I don't want to do that. I could, but I don't want to because I want the denominator to be a 100. It makes the conversion to a fraction very easy. When the denominator is 100, the percent is whatever the numerator is, 64.5%.